program to activate the emergency alert system for an Amber Alert. Be on the lookout for an abducted child from Licking County, last seen on 196 North 11th Street in the city of Newark at 5 p.m. June 18th. The subject is believed to be driving a black 2006 Saturn Ion with red rims with the license plate GUS 5050 from the state of Ohio. The child's name is Kira Marie Trent, 17 months old, a white female, height 3 feet, weighing 30 pounds, with blonde hair, blue eyes. The child was possibly last seen wearing blue tutu dress or a white and pink striped dress with flowers. The child also has a bruise on her right cheek. The suspect's name is Matthew R. Trent. Suspect is a white male, 27 years old, with brown hair and blue eyes, 5 feet, 5 inches tall, weighing 140 pounds, possibly armed and dangerous, and suicidal. Please call 1-877-AMBER OH 1-877-262-3764 or dial 911 immediately if you see the child, the suspect, or the suspect vehicle. This concludes the emergency alert system message.